In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions, the division sign, and the degree symbol in PowerPoint. These elements are often essential when preparing slides for math, chemistry, or even stats-based presentations, and mastering them can significantly enhance how your data is conveyed. So let's dive right in and make your presentations more dynamic and precise. To start with, open up your Microsoft PowerPoint application. If it's your first time, you'll find it straightforward. Once you've opened PowerPoint, go ahead and choose the specific presentation you'd like to work on. This can be a new one or an existing one, whatever you prefer. Now that you've selected a presentation, let's move on to building it with these special symbols. Next, you're going to look for the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab is a treasure trove of options for enhancing your slide. Click on it and you'll see a range of tools aimed at enriching your presentation content. We're particularly interested in the options that allow us to insert various notations and characters. Within the Insert tab, find the Symbol option. Clicking on Symbol opens up a dialog box where you'll find a plethora of special characters and notations. Feel free to explore, but for now let's focus on how to add fractions, the division sign, and degree specifically. This knowledge is crucial for presenting technical data accurately. Besides symbol, you'll see the equation option. Click on that to open up the equation tools. Here, you can seamlessly add fractions, division, and degrees in the format that best matches your subject requirement. The beauty of using the equation tools is that it keeps all your mathematical expressions consistent and professional looking. When you click on equation, a new design tab opens, offering an equation editor interface. Here you can type out specific mathematical formulas directly, or select from common options like fractions and the division sign. For degrees, if not readily available, you can enter it manually using the degree symbol from the symbol option. Remember, keeping your presentation clear and clutter-free is important. So when adding these symbols, think about their placement and size relative to your main text. This ensures that your audience can understand your message without any distractions. With these steps, you're now equipped to add mathematical notations or scientific symbols comfortably, making your PowerPoint presentation not only more appealing, but also rich in detail and clarity. Experiment with what you've learned today and watch your presentation game soar. Thank you for watching and good luck with your next slide deck.